how to make a big banner in Canva. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a big banner in Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you want to make a banner, just go and search for a banner template. Let's search for one. Let's say you want to go with this one. We click on customize and you add your own stuff. Obviously, you can replace images, but on the left side, once you're done, you have a bunch of options you can choose from. Now to make it bigger or resize it, simply click on resize here. Again select resize, and now you can resize it your need. You can click on custom size and make it bigger according to your need. You can put in here 2000 and here 1000 or 800. But for doing this or resizing the banner, you need to have Canva Pro. Because Canva doesn't give this feature to free version, so to make a large banner in Canva, you have to upgrade your plan to Pro version. There is another thing you can do if you want bigger banner. You can go to share, then download this PDF print and then give it to a company that can print even bigger banners. So that's basically how you can make a big banner in Canva. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.